In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a Semrush plan. First, open your browser and go to the Semrush website. Once you're on their homepage, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. There, you'll see a tab labeled Pricing. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where all of the Semrush plans are displayed side by side. This is where we'll compare them and figure out which one makes the most sense for you. You'll typically see three main options: the Pro plan, the Guru plan, and the Business plan. Let's walk through what each one actually gives you and who it's best suited for. The Pro plan is the entry-level option, and it's priced for people who are just getting started with SEO. It's ideal for freelancers, bloggers, and beginners. With this plan, you get access to the core SEO tools like keyword research, site audits to check your technical health, and backlink analysis so you can see who's linking to your site and to your competitors. However, it's designed for smaller setups. You can manage around 5 projects and track about 500 keywords. There's no advanced content marketing toolkit and no historical data, so it's more for day-to-day basic optimization. Choose this if you're focusing on 1 or 2 websites and mainly doing straightforward SEO tasks. Skip it if you manage multiple clients or need deeper content features. Next is the Guru plan. This is usually the most popular choice because it balances features and scalability. It's great for small businesses, growing brands, and small agencies. With Guru, you get everything in the Pro plan, plus a full content marketing toolkit that helps you plan, create, and optimize content. You also unlock historical data, which is a big advantage when you're building a long-term strategy and want to see how keywords and competitors have changed over time. Limits are higher too, with around 15 projects and 1,500 keywords. Go for Guru if you're serious about combining SEO with a strong content strategy and you're looking to scale your traffic over time. Finally, there's the Business plan, built for agencies, e-commerce companies, and large websites. It includes everything in Guru, but adds automation features and access to the API, which is useful if you want to connect Semrush data into your own dashboards or reporting systems. You also get much higher limits, with roughly 40 projects and 5,000 keywords, along with tools that support team workflows and reporting at scale. This plan is best if you handle multiple clients or run large-scale SEO operations and need to save time through automation and advanced reporting.